Good morning everyone and welcome back to Vlogmas day 15. I'm so glad you're here.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying.
We have a very special person. This is today's fit. Don't be fooled, it's literally freezing outside, so I have this jacket from Aritzia that I'm gonna wear. But pants are Aviator Nation. These are like the comfiest pants ever. My mom got me them last Christmas. This top is Aritzia. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it and I haven't worn it yet. So this is actually my first time. Necklace, S for sparkle. I get a lot of questions about this and that's where it's from. And then I'm gonna show you guys the jacket that I'm gonna wear. Look who came home, guys. So we are going to the nail salon. Are you getting your nails done or just your toes?
Both.
Crap, should I kind of want to keep my nails natural.
Look at my nail.
What should we do? You know what? I'll work on my thesis while you get your nails done.
I can go another time if you don't want to do it now.
No, then I'll be forced to work on my thesis, which is good because I've been putting it off. So we're gonna get our nails and toes done. I'm not getting my nails done though. And then I'm gonna bring my laptop to work on my thesis. But yeah, we're gonna have a girls' day. She came home last night.
I'm gonna download my Netflix episode.
Okay, I just got out of the nail salon. I'll show you guys my toes once I come back. Right now I'm about to drop off a bunch of Poshmark packages. I have like 6 that I need to drop off that I packed this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go into the UPS right now. Okay, I'm back home and I'm starving. We're gonna have dinner tonight at Miss Rhonda's house. I think we're getting pizza. So I'm probably gonna eat something light. Gosh, I literally love the people that work at the nail salon. They're so freaking nice, it's crazy. Can you guys hear Leo? Leo's literally like, why are you doing that? Hi. Ugh, I don't know what to eat. I'm so hungry.
When I touch down in your city, first thing gotta hit her up. I'm a man, I'm on a mission, mama. Yeah, you know.
She's making us healthy.
Who, Catherine? Oh my gosh. No, literally my mom and Catherine just came home from the grocery store and I'm like looking at this food and I'm like, why does it look so healthy?
Because we're doing paleo.
No, we're not. That is literally going to, I can't do this. None of this looks right. Gosh, it's literally freezing in my house. My mom refuses to turn the air up. We're all cold. So I'm literally about to put on socks because I can't do this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna light a candle and yeah, I don't really know what else. I'm gonna light a candle.
Okay, well, I'm not Hey. Is it focusing? The camera can't hear you. He said he's eating M&Ms. I have to get my shoes.
Wait, cute.
She's filming.
Who wants her food? Come on. Okay, I'm gonna feed my dogs really quick. If this isn't the best fit check that you've seen, Crocs with Christmas socks, I don't know what is.
Okay. Okay, wait, now's your chance to say something to the internet. It's recording. Oh, wait.
What's up?
Nice.
That was really good.
Really good job. The brightness back. Oh, there we are. Look how, wait, let me buckle up. for a treacherous journey.
Remember that time I backed into the garage when it was closed?
See this garage right here? Caroline and I have both had accidents having to do with that. A week after I got my car, I backed out of the garage and didn't check the rear view camera and went straight into my mom's brand new car. And Caroline was filming sitting in her car inside the garage one day and just like never opened the garage and just backed up into the garage while it was closed. So
Nice.
people like just have stereotypes in their mind about
Asian women.
driving, but we
That
really
is-
disprove all of them.
That is so
Wait, who
false.
has those stereotypes?
just
I
some.
never heard
Like,
that
no,
before.
like The Simpsons or like Family Guy.
The
They have
Sims-
that.
really?
Yeah, they made like Asian
And The
things about
Office
that.
too.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to Miss Rhonda's house right now. We're getting pizza and probably dessert, knowing Miss Rhonda. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Ciao. There's actually 2 singers in this family. Okay, so I'm literally so bloated right now. I ate 3 slices of pizza at Miss Rhonda's house and 2 big cookies, which was actually 4 cookies because she put 2 pieces of cookie dough together to make 1. So I'm gonna take some bye-bye bloat pills because, yeah, I really need that right now. I got that all on video. I was lip singing while you were singing. I'm gonna take off my makeup right now. It's like 8 o'clock and I have school tomorrow. So I don't know how much longer I want to be up, but I do have to work on my thesis. So that might actually take a while. And I have to edit Vlogmas. So actually scratch that. I am gonna be staying up for a while. I'm so stressed right now.
Escapism, I confide into these words, my journal high.
Is this yours?
Dad, you almost started the fire.
I'm sorry.
Wait, come here.
Is that yours?
It's mine.
My God.
What?
There's not much there.
Yeah, it's mine. Dad, tell the vlog how you're doing.
I blog.
Not vlog, vlog. Come here.
Oh, vlog.
So my
It's not
dad, we're gonna do a recap. My dad was gone all of last week. Tell him where you were.
I was in Charlotte. No, excuse me. Charleston. I was in Charleston, South Carolina.
Look who's here.
And there's Boomers.
There's Susie.
There he is. He needs a haircut. Is he good or naughty?
He's naughty. Does he have naughty on?
Yes.
No.
Green is naughty,
That's, oh.
which is weird.
Cause who needs a tradition? Movie marathon for one was always much more fun.